Struggling to market your business online without a full team? That's where Wix marketing tools comes in. In 2025, Wix helps businesses run email campaigns, social ads, SEO, and automation directly from their website. You can track engagement, segment audiences, and optimize campaigns to grow traffic and sales, all without switching platforms. The real advantage is simplicity. Wix makes marketing accessible for small businesses and beginners while still offering automation and analytics that can compete with bigger platforms. It may not match Shopify e-commerce depth, but for all-in-one website and marketing, it's strong. So if you want easy-to-use tools that help your business reach more customers, Wix marketing is worth exploring. Like the video, subscribe, and comment what tool you want review next.